Hi students, today we see the rest of the questions from exercise 6.4. Question number 6. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. So the triangles, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. So triangles are similar. Now we have to prove that a ratio of the areas of those two triangles is equal to the square of their ratio of the corresponding medians. So median, what is the meaning of median? A line segment which joins from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. A line segment from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. That line segment is called median. So we have to prove that the ratio of their corresponding medians, area of those two similar triangles ratio is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. So we see that first given in triangle ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we need to draw the triangle. One is ABC, another one DEF and median. We know median means which joins from vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. So midpoint of its opposite side. Let this is AM is the midpoint of BC, and here DN is the midpoint of EF. DN is the median, N is the midpoint of EF. Here AM is the median and DN is the median. ABC is similar to DEF and AM is median. AM is the median of triangle ABC and DN is median of triangle DEF. As we know, ABC is similar to DEF. Once the triangles are similar, this is given. We have to prove that. Required to prove the area of ABC by area of DEF. Area of ABC by area of DEF. Triangle ABC. Ratio of those two triangles area is equal to square of the ratio of the corresponding medians. That is AM by DN whole square. You have to prove that AM by DN whole square. This is given. Now proof. As we know, areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of their corresponding sides, which are the ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So area of ABC by area of DEF is equals to, as we know, AB corresponding sides, AB by DE whole square is equals to AB by DE whole square is equals to BC by EF whole square is equals to AC by DF whole square. So this is actually, we know, if the ratio of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to square of the ratio of corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. This we know. Proof. So now you see, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, observe it. Their corresponding sides will be in the proportion, because triangle ABC is similar to DEF. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So here corresponding sides will be in proportion once the triangles are similar. So ABC is similar to DEF means AB by DE is equals to AB by DE is equals to BC by EF is equals to AC by DF, since the triangles are similar. Now AB by DE is equals to BC. Observe it. BC, M is the midpoint of BC. So BC can be written as 2 times of BM. So 2 times of BM. Why? M is the midpoint, AM is the median. So BM is half of BC and BC is 2 times of BM by, similarly EF is 2 times of EN. So 2 times of EN. Now from these two we get 2 gets cancelled. So next step here, next step is AB by DE is equals to 2 gets cancelled. If you cancel 2, then you will be having BM by EN. AB by DE is equals to BM by EN. AB by DE is equals to BM by EN we got. Now in triangle, so and angle B is equals to angle E. Observe it. AB by DE is equals to BM by EN and angle B is equals to angle E, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. What makes this one? Triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. What is the statement here? Corresponding angles are equal. Triangle ABC is similar to DEF, or else you can write in the bracket corresponding angles. Corresponding angles of similar triangles. Now AB by DE is equals to BM by EN and angle B is equals to angle E. So triangle ABM is similar to, observe it, triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. Once the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in proportion. So what are the corresponding sides? Then which implies, from this you can write AB by DE is equals to BM by EN is equals to, now corresponding sides, AM by DN. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides in proportion. The ratio of the corresponding sides in proportion. Ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay. Now AB by DE is equals to BM by EN is equals to AM by DN. Observe it. Here what we wrote in the first statement, AB, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. We wrote AB by DE is equals to, so AB by DE is equals to AM by DN. What is AM and DN? The medians, their corresponding medians. Therefore, area of ABC by area of DEF is equals to, in place of AB by DE, we can write AM by DN. AM by DN whole square. AM by DN whole square. Reason, AB by DE is equals to AM by DN. So therefore the ratio of area of two similar triangles, ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. I hope you understood. We are taking the medians first, then this is, we know, as we know, areas of two similar triangles ratio is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Then from that we are obtaining triangle ABM and triangle DEN are similar by taking BM is equals to twice BC, BC is equals to twice BM, and EF is equals to twice EN. Then we are proving angle B is equals to angle E, their corresponding angles of similar triangles. So by which is similarity here? What is the similarity? SAS. By SAS similarity, the two triangles are similar, ABM and DEN. Once the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. Then we are writing AM by DN whole square. Areas of two similar triangles ratio is equals to the square of the ratio of corresponding medians. We see the now another question number 7 from same exercise, that is, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one of side of a square, one of the side of the square is equal to half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. We have to understand the question thoroughly. So there is a square and equilateral triangle. So we are talking about the square and equilateral triangle. How that? Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square. One side of a square. See, ABCD is a square. On one side of the square, equilateral triangle is made. That is BQC. Means BQ is equals to BC is equals to QC. That is equilateral triangle. Is equal, that area side of a square is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle. Now again one more equilateral triangle. How it is described, how it is formed? On one of its diagonal. Here which is the diagonal? AC is the diagonal. So on one of its diagonal, AC is the diagonal. So AQC, APC and BQC. So now we have to prove that area of triangle BQC is half of the area of the triangle APC. We have to prove that area of triangle BQC is equals to area of triangle AQC. APC, sorry, it's a P over here. We have to prove that area of triangle BQC is equals to half of the area of triangle APC. That we have to prove. So for that, given first ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Now BQC, triangle BQC is an equilateral triangle on side. What is the side? On side BC, and triangle APC, observe it, BQC is on side BC, and triangle APC is an equilateral triangle on diagonal AC. We have to prove that, required to prove, this is given. Now we have to prove that area of triangle BQC, is equals to area of half of the area of the triangle, half of area of triangle APC. That we have to prove. So as we know, this is given and required to prove. Now proof. As we know, all the equilateral triangles are similar. So each equilateral triangle, whatever the equilateral triangles, so equilateral triangles are similar. Equilateral triangles are similar. So, equilateral triangles. Which are the equilateral triangle? Proof. So, triangle APC and BQC are similar. Triangle AQC and BQC are similar. So triangle BQC is similar to triangle APC, as all equilateral triangles are similar. Equilateral triangles are similar. So once the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in proportion. So area of their corresponding sides will be in proportion, and similar triangles area will be, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles will be equal to the sides, square of the corresponding sides, square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So area of triangle BQC by area of triangle APC, area of triangle BQC by area of triangle APC is equals to their corresponding sides. We are taking the corresponding sides. Which are the corresponding sides? BQC and APC. So here the corresponding sides we are taking the triangle for BQC and APC. So BC is the corresponding side, and AC. So BC by AC whole square. As we know, areas of two similar triangles, ratio of areas of two similar triangles will be equal to the ratio of the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. But here what is AC? As AC diagonal is 2 times of its side. As diagonal of a square, diagonal of a square is root 2 times of its side. Root 2 times of its side. That means diagonal, if side is A units, if side is A, BC is the side, then AC diagonal. So if side of its side, root 2 times of its side, that means diagonal, if you assume BC as A, BC is equals to A units, BC is equals to A units, then AC diagonal will be root 2 times of its side. Root 2 times of its side. So that is AC. Now you see area of triangle BQC. Observe it. As diagonal of a square is root 2 times of its side. So let BC is equals to A units. Then its diagonal AC will be root 2 times of its side, that is A. So area of triangle BQC by area of triangle PQC, so area of triangle APC is equals to, what is BC square, that is A, by AC is root 2A whole square. Now square is applicable for both the values, numerator and denominator. So area of triangle BQC by area of triangle APC is equals to A square by, square is applicable for both. Then here square and square root get cancelled. You will be having root 2A. So square and square root get cancelled, then A square. So A square, which will give you A square and A square gets cancelled. So 1 by 2. Area of triangle BQC by area of triangle APC. Area of triangle APC. Now cross multiplication. 2 times of area of triangle BQC is equals to, if you cross multiply here, then area of triangle BQC will be just area of triangle BQC is equals to half of area of triangle APC. Here if you cross multiply this, here you will get, here I am writing the step, area of triangle BQC is equals to half of area of triangle APC. Area of triangle APC. Therefore, hence proved. Means AC is the diagonal. Diagonal of the square will be root 2 times of its side. So based on that, as we know, on each and every equilateral triangle is similar. How? By AA similarity. Each angle will be equal to 60 degrees. So by AA similarity, the equilateral triangles are similar. So therefore triangles are similar. Then a ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the sides which are in the corresponding sides. Ratio of the corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Based on that, we proved. So area of triangle BQC, which is described on the side, is half of the area of the triangle which is described on its diagonal. Now see question number 9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. 4:9. Then area of these two triangles are in the ratio. Options are given 2:3, 4:9, 81:16, 16:81. Two triangles. Let the triangle ABC and DEF, any two triangles. Ratio of those two triangles, area of those two, ratio of areas of those two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So corresponding sides are in the ratio 4:9. Square. Square means what? 4 square and 9 square. So 4 square will be 16, 9 square will be 81. So which will be the option? Option D. But you have to write the steps. Area of ratio of areas of the two similar triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. So with that statement, we can find out this solution. I hope you understood areas of two similar triangles, how to compare, how to find the side when the areas are given, how to find areas when the sides are corresponding sides are given. So areas of two similar triangles, ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. Square of the ratio of the corresponding sides. I hope you understood. Thank you.